DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo, Drone Quadcopter, UAV with 48 megapixel camera, 4K video, 8K hyperlapse, CMOS sensor, 3-axis gimbal, 34-minute flight time, active track 3.0, OcuSync 2.0, in grey color. Brand DJI, color Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo, control type remote control, video capture resolution 4K HD, are batteries included? Yes. Item weight 0.57 kilograms, remote control included? Yes. Battery cell type lithium ion, include rechargeable battery? Yes. About this item, up your game. The Mavic Air 2 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Push your imagination to its limits because aerial photography has never been this easy. Next level content. Capture impressive 48 megapixel photographs with half-inch CMOS sensor, while the 3-axis gimbal provides 4K by 60 fps video. The secret to incredible HDR videos is a high-performance quad-layer image sensor. OcuSync 2.0 has a video transmission distance of up to 6.2 mi per 10 kilometers and can also deliver 1080 pixel full HD resolution live streams directly from the drone's camera. Improved flight and impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes allows you to pull off epic fast-paced shots. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions make it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your Mavic Air 2. Intelligent tracking. Mavic Air 2 feature intuitive shooting function that make aerial photography easier than ever. Spotlight 2.0 keeps the camera locked on a subject while you fly freely. Active Track 3.0 keeps subjects centered. POI 3.0 track moving subject like people and vehicles. App compatibility. The DJI Fly app requires iOS v 10.0, Android v 6.0 or above. What you get: Mavic Air 2 aircraft, remote controller, 3-time intelligent flight battery, 6-time lower noise propeller pair, RC cable, USB Type-C, Lightning, standard micro USB, control stick, gimbal protector, battery charger, battery charging hub, battery to power bank adapter, shoulder bag, ND filter set, ND 16 by 64 or 256, manuals, AC power cable, Type-C cable, video capture resolution 4K HD. So buy this product and subscribe my channel and share my videos and like them.